Opensea does $261 million in volume each day, and they charge 2.5% per trade, which earns them around $6.5 million per day. If you extrapolate that for the whole year, that's about $2.3 billion for the entire year. Now, what if Opensea shared their earnings with the crypto community? That sounds amazing, right? And that's exactly what Looksrare, Opensea 2.0 that gives back to the community, has decided to do. Stay with me to find out how you can claim your Looks token for just a gas fee and why I'm holding Looks token for the long term. Let's get right into it. The name of the website is looksrare.org. I'll drop a link in the description below. When you go visit the website, look for the lock here, which shows that you have the correct website there. And when you get there, go ahead and click Learn More. From Learn More, it tells you a lot more details about Looks token and the Looksrare website. So Looks token is actually an airdrop. So anyone who used Opensea over the last 6 months, it has some details here about how many tokens you might be eligible for. So you'll want to review this chart here. And if you did go ahead and trade some volume on Opensea, you'll want to check to see if you have any Looks token waiting for you. This is time sensitive. You'll want to do this right away because this is not going to be available for everyone forever. So go ahead and check to see if you have any Looks token that you are eligible for the airdrop. And Looksrare is just like Opensea in that you can search out any collection that you're interested in. Let's look at Cypher Inu. So if we select that, you'll have all the NFTs listed here. You can go down. They're working currently on the sort functions. This is like a very early version of Opensea, so keep that in mind. User experience still has some room for improvement, but they're working on it. The team is very active. You can check them out on the Discord. I'll drop a Discord link down below as well. And you can also make a collection offer, which is very cool. Opensea does not have this feature. If you're interested in any NFT, you can make a collection offer for the entire collection. So any of those owners can accept that offer. And that's a pretty cool function. And you'll notice in rewards, they have a very high APR. And this is to incentivize early people, early adopters of the Looks token. So let's look at this a little bit more closely. So the 768% APR that's listed right now, I'm not sure what yours will say right now, but here it's really based on the amount of volume that's traded each day, the price of the Looks token, and some other additional factors that you could look at in their tokenomics. But as you can see, the percent APR is made into some of the rewards in the Looks token and some of it actually in WETH itself, which is incredible. So you're actually earning WETH token and then you're earning Looks token, which then gets auto compounded back in. And you know about me and compounding interest. This is a massive opportunity. And the amazing part about Looksrare is they charge a 2% fee for each trade, which is less than 2.5% on Opensea. But the 2% that they charge, it actually goes back into people who are holding the Looks token. So you'll see here that every 24 hours, the reward rates are roughly readjusted, but they distribute WETH and they distribute Looks token back to people who are already holding and staking their Looks token. So in essence, you benefit by the success of the Looksrare platform. For everyone who's trading on Looksrare, you get a percentage of the fees right back to you. And so it incentivizes people to hold the Looks token and to be involved in this platform that gives back to the community. And that's what crypto has always been about, is giving back to the community and all of us growing together. And if you want a deep dive of the Looksrare platform, the Looks token, and the APR, I highly recommend you check out this thread by azf.eth. I will post that in the description below as well. He has a 20-tweet thread here that really breaks down all the information you need to know, especially the technical details and whether or not this is a sustainable model or not. And as for me, I believe in the Looksrare project so much, I added some additional ETH into Looks token so I can go ahead and stake and earn those compounding returns. I believe in this project for the long term and for the developers who are giving back to the community, and we're allowing this sort of decentralization to occur in NFT trading. Let me know if you're able to claim your Looks token and what you think about this project. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.